Hello everyone. Today we are gonna see clustering of data using k-means uh, clustering technique. I'm Jebel Sonisha. My register number is URK23CS1119. Today we are gonna develop a k-means clustering model for the loan dataset using the scikit-learn. First, we are gonna load the dataset. So this is dataset. Then the first thing is we are going to use the column applicant income and loan amount as the input variables. For that, we're going to import the pandas library and we are going to read the data set and using applicant income and loan amount variables. So we are going to print the data frame. The next question is going to be we are going to compute the optimal number of cluster K from 1 to 10 using the elbow method. For that, we are going to import pandas library and scikit-learn library, reading the data set using applicant income and loan amount. Then within cluster sum of squares, we are going to use the range of 1 to 11. K-means is equal to K-mean value of random state is going to be 42. The initial state is going to be 10. Then we are fitting the value and we are appending the given value, the criteria value into the variable. Then this is going to be the question. Then we are going to plot the graph between number of cluster K and within the cluster sum of square WCSS value. For that, we are going to import the matplotlib library and range giving, we are going to plot the line plot. So we are going to giving the range of 1 to 11 WCSS. It's going to be dot value. So we are going to give the marker as O. Then we are labeling number of clusters K X label. The Y label is going to be WCSS. The title is going to be elbow method for optimal K. Then we are showing the visualization. The next question is to perform the k-means clustering with the selected optimal K. For that, the optimal K is equal to going to be 3. Then the k-means optimal is going to be the mean value of K within the initial state 10. The random state is equal to 42. Then we are going to find Y k-mean and we are going to fit the predicted X value. Then we are add cluster labels to the data set. So X cluster is equal to the X dot copy of. Then we are giving the cluster data frame is equal to Y k-means. Then we are going to print the cluster data frame. So this is going to be the cluster data frame values. Then displaying the cluster centroids. For that, we are going to print the cluster centroids where k-mean dot optimal dot cluster centers. So this is going to, these are the cluster centroids value. Then we are going to visualize the data representation of k-means clustering. For that, we are going to plot it. We're going to use figure of method, scatter plot for each cluster. For that, we are giving the range of optimal K, scatter plot. So then X cluster is going to be the applicant income and Y cluster, the X cluster is equal to loan income. Then we are going to labeling it. For that, we are going to use scatter plot. Then X label is going to be applicant income. The Y label is going to be loan amount. The title is going to be k-means clustering. The K value is 3. Then we are plotting it. So this is our visualization where the cluster is 0, the cluster is 1 as for orange, green is for cluster 2, the centroids where the X marked. The next question is, we have to change the value of K in k-means with different values and tabulate the performance matrices such as Silhouette score and Davis-Bouldin score obtained. For that, we are gonna use scikit-learn metrics importing Silhouette score and Davis-Bouldin score. Then we are gonna create an empty variable empty list. Then we are gonna create a loop. Then we are gonna use k-means for getting the k-mean. Then then giving label to fit the predictor value of x. Then we have an built-in method for Silhouette score and Bolden score. For that, we have created a variable of SIL score and DB score. Using the built-in method, we are gonna give X and the labels which we predicted. Then we are gonna append these values inside the result. Then we are gonna convert the result into data frame. So the columns is going to be K value, Silhouette score, and Davis Boolean score. We are going to print the value, and these are the outputs. That's all for my ninth experiment. Thank you.